So if I had a pound or a dollar for every time a client said to me, oh, I don't have any good photographs to put on my website, or I don't have any pictures of me to put on social media, I would be a very rich lady. And the thing that is getting in most people's way is that they think they need to have a professional photo shoot to get professional portrait photos taken, and that is not the case. So if you are thinking to yourself, I haven't got the time, I haven't got the budget, I haven't got the inclination to go somewhere and get some professional photographs taken, this video is for you. So in this video, I am going to teach you how you can do your very own free 10-minute photo shoot. Let's go.
So I'm quite a spontaneous person, and this morning I woke up and thought I need some new pictures for some of our social media and blogs and things, and so I just want to share with you how I did a mini photo shoot in 10 minutes so that you can stop overthinking this, get in front of the camera and do your own mini photo shoot. So the objective of this exercise is just to get it done, to get some simple photographs that are good enough to use on social media and maybe the odd YouTube video thumbnail. Okay, so yes, I have a swanky camera. In fact, I have two swanky cameras that I could use, but what I'm going to use today, just to show you how you can just get this done, is this. My webcam that I have on top of my computer, and one light, two lights, and a curtain that is stapled to the wall behind my desk. That's all I'm going to use. So let me show you how I'm going to do this. Okay, so you can see I haven't tidied up my desk. I'm just getting stuck in and I'm going to do it. So on a Mac, there is this app called Photo Booth, and that is what I've got open on my screen. You can see I've got one light here, and this is me in the middle. So what I've done is I've dragged the photo booth screen so it is just underneath my camera. So there's my webcam, there's my photo booth app open, and this is all I'm going to do to create these pictures. So inside the photo booth app, it literally just has this one button, and if I click it, it gives me a 3-second countdown. So literally all I'm going to do is click the button, strike a pose, wait for the countdown, and it takes the picture. It really is that simple. We're not overthinking it. We've just got reasonable light. I'm in the middle of the screen, or I can be over here at the side of the screen. I can be over here on this side of the screen. I can be really low down here peeping into the screen. There's a whole heap of things that I can do, but it's just a very, very quick and simple way to get some pictures taken, so you're not overthinking it, you're just getting the job done. So let me show you my 10-minute photo shoot. It's as easy as that. And then just a couple of other things that you can do inside Photo Booth if you wanted to. Inside effects, if you come to the effects button here, there's some effects that I wouldn't recommend you use, like a chipmunk. Not sure about that one. But if I scroll across to the second page, there is a black and white option that can actually give you some quite different looking photographs that you could use in your digital marketing. And also inside here, there's a button over on the left-hand side. Can you see this one that's got 4 squares on it? And that is going to enable you to take 4 pictures in quick succession. So if you wanted some special kind of action type shots, you can do that. So if I just do that now, and move as they take the picture, then you're going to get these 4 these 4 different action shots, which is quite cool. All right, so that just gives you a couple of things that you can do inside Photo Booth to jizz up your pictures a bit. Okay, so that's it. That is my down and dirty 10-minute photo shoot, done and dusted. Now, will every single one of those photographs be usable? No. Will any of those photographs be high quality photographs? No. But here's the thing, the ones that are good photos are good enough for me to use in my social media, in my video thumbnails, the next few months until I have to do this all over again. Now, if you want to mix it up, you could change your clothes during the photo shoot, put different top on, different dress on, do different, I don't know, earrings, different jewellery, those kind of things. So actually, in the 10 minutes, you could get a variety of styles in your photographs. I couldn't be bothered to do that today, so this is good enough. And that's the point I want to make. You can do a really great down and dirty 10-minute photo shoot, and that is going to give you enough pictures, enough reasonable, decent pictures to use in your digital marketing for the next few months. So have a go, make it work, keep it simple, and don't overthink it.